A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start chapter number 8, Patterns and Symmetry. Chapter number 8, Patterns and Symmetry. Let's start with the introduction of this chapter. Fabian and Revati are playing in the park. Revati is wearing a colorful dress. Both the friends are playing in the park. Revati is wearing a colorful dress. Fabian: Hi Revati, you were wearing a nice colorful dress yesterday. Thanks Fabian, I bought it last Sunday. Fabian: The dress has colorful flowers on it. Yes, Fabian, it has a beautiful pattern of flowers. Yes, Fabian, it has a beautiful patterns of flowers. So both the friends are playing in the park. Revati is wearing a colorful dress and Fabian told to Revati that you wear a very beautiful dress last Sunday and the dress has colorful flowers on it. At this, Revati replied, Yes, it has a beautiful pattern of flowers. In our dresses, saris, most of the time you see a beautiful patterns on it. Have you ever seen? Yes, very good. Now let's start. What do you mean by patterns? Pattern is an arrangement of shapes or figures in a particular order. A proper order is there. Pattern is an arrangement of shapes or figures. It is an arrangement of very good shapes or figures in a particular order. This is very important. In a particular order. Patterns are found everywhere around us. We find patterns in nature such as plants, animals, birds, flowers, leaves. We will learn about different types of patterns. You know, patterns are found everywhere around us. In the nature such as plants, animals, birds, flowers, leaves. Let's study about different types of patterns. Natural patterns. Have you ever seen the patterns on leaves? Very good. Yes, animals also show the patterns. Tiger, zebra has a white and black strips. Tiger, cheetah. A lot of animals show the patterns. So it's a natural, not a man-made. Flower, petal of flowers have pattern. A beautiful pattern shown by flowers. Okay? Very good. Now please observe the patterns around you. Okay? And tell me in the class that you have noticed the patterns, natural patterns. Apart from nature, patterns are also seen in man-made objects. Patterns are not only natural. We can also see the patterns in man-made objects. Okay? Let's study. See the beautiful patterns. It's a man-made. Tiles, it's a man-made. See the beautiful figure. It's a man-made patterns. Okay? So these patterns are man-made. And once again, repeating the definition of pattern is an arrangement of shapes or figures in a particular order. Okay? These all are man-made patterns, not the natural. We made it. Okay? Show, star, moon, sun. Again, repeating in a particular order. Star, moon, sun. Is it clear? Similarly, these shapes are repeating in an order. Okay? Now come to the growing pattern. Here is In this arrangement, toffees are increasing in a particular order. They are growing in a pattern. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6. Is it clear? Sure? So how the patterns arrange? See, 1 at the base, then 2 at the base. Then decrease. 1. Here 3 at the base, then 2 above it, then 1 above it. Goes decreasing. 4 at the base, then 3, then 2, then 1. Is it clear? But automatically it is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And it's just an arrangement that goes on decreasing. Is it clear? Sure? So here in this arrangement, toffees are increasing in a particular order. They are growing in a pattern. Next, 5 toffees will come at the base. Okay? Sure? Now see here. You can see, yes, downward, upward. 2 downward, 2 upward. 3 downward, 3 upward. Similarly, 4 will come. Okay? Now the decreasing pattern. The toffees are decreasing in a particular order. See, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? This is called decreasing pattern. See this? 3 down, 3 up. 2 down, 2 up. 1 down, 1 up. So it's also decreasing. Is it clear? Sure? Now, we can create patterns with number 2. Look at the number patterns. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. In the pattern, numbers are increasing by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Okay? Is it clear? As something is increasing, so it means we are performing addition. Here, the numbers are decreasing, means we are going to perform what? Subtraction. Okay? See, after 45, 39 comes. It means 6 is subtracted from the 45. Now after 39, 33 comes. It means 6 is subtracted from 39 and so on. Is it clear? Sure? Even in odd number patterns, numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers, and the numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are called even number. You better know this. Very good. In the first chapter we have already completed our even and odd number topic. Okay? The numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers, and the number that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are called even numbers. Okay? You can also see numbers in alphabets together. See the pattern: 2A, 3B, 4C, 5D. A, B, C, D continue, and here 2, 3, 4, 5. So next 6, E will come, 7, F, 8, G, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now let's start with my practice time 1. Now see my practice time 1. Moon, star, sun. Moon, star. Here sun will come. Okay, because the patterns are repeating in a particular order. Moon, then again star. Is it clear? Sure? Very good. Now again moon, star, again sun will come. Okay? Sure? I think it's very easy. So through this you can complete the patterns. Is it clear? So it's a picture patterns. You can complete it easily. Now tick the image shown in the box that will come next in the pattern. Upward triangle, downward star. Again, upward means it is going to repeat. Upward, triangle, downward, star. Star will come because after downward, the star will come. So put a tick here. Is it clear? Sure? Very good. Now BC part, you will do it yourself. Extend the given patterns. We have to extend, not we have to repeat. हमें extend करना है, बढ़ाना है उसे. 1, 2, 3. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. Now 4 box will come. Okay? Then again 5 will come. Now see the patterns are extending. 1, 2, 3. Here 4, then 5. Okay? Extend means बढ़ाना. अब हमें इन्हें बढ़ाना है. Okay? Here see in the B part 3 dots at the center. Now 5 dots, then 7 dots. Okay, firstly 3, then 5, then 7. Means odd numbers are coming. Now you have to make 9 dots at the center. After 7, 9 will come. Odd. Okay, we are talking about odd. Okay, 8 is a even. Then after 9, 11 will come at the center. Is it clear? Sure? So similarly, you can arrange the triangles. Now observe the patterns used in each row and complete the same. See the number patterns. 80, 75, 70, 65, 60. Now 5 is decreasing. So you have to decrease 5, subtract 5. Okay? And then complete the pattern. See the B. 0, 2, 6, 12, 20. Again 0, 2, 6, 12, 20. So can anybody tell me about this? This is increasing, means you are performing, yes, addition or multiplication, because in the addition or multiplication the numbers are only going to increase. Let's now see. 2 is increasing, then 4, then 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Means here the table of 2 counts. 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 5s are 10. So 20 plus 10, 30. Then we increase 12. Then we increase, hurry up, tell me, 14. Is it clear? Sure? So you have to read pattern twice. Okay? And try to find the operation, whether it will be the addition or whether it will be the subtraction. Is it clear? Okay? So you have to read it twice and then find the operation in it. Okay? If you do more practice, only then you become expert in solving the patterns. Let's start. Complete the patterns using letters and numbers. See. A, D, E, H, I, L. B, C, avoid. Okay, B, C. Here B, C not come. A, B, C, D, no? B, C not come. Then D, E, F, G not come. H. I, J, K not come. L. Okay, similarly M, N, O not come. P. Q, R, S not come. T. Is it clear? So you have to see it again or read it again to find the pattern. Is it clear? See the last one. 13 plus 3 16 plus 3 19 plus 3 22 plus 3 25. Here A, B not C, D not E, F not G, H not I. Is it clear? You have to repeat in a given order. So with these we have revised practice time 1. Now you have to do it in your fair notebook or in the book. And if you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.